Hey everyone, today I'll quickly show you how to fix the Adobe Premiere Pro scratch disk error. Let's get started. Open Windows Security and click Virus and Threat Protection. Now, under Ransomware Protection, click Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Allow an app through Control Folder Access. Now click on Add an allowed app and browse all apps. Now find Adobe folder and scroll down for Adobe Premiere Pro.exe application and click Open. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. Thank you.